Septic systems are vital to many homes, especially in the Central Florida and surrounding rural and lakeside areas. Unfortunately, many homeowners unknowingly make septic system mistakes. These mistakes can lead to costly repairs, environmental hazards, and even complete septic failures. Let's explore some of the most common mistakes we see, so you can avoid them. 10 common septic mistakes. Number 1. Neglecting regular septic pumping. The fix: schedule regular septic pumping every 3 to 5 years, depending on household size and water usage. Number 2. Flushing the wrong items down the toilet. The fix: only flush human waste and toilet paper. Number 3. Overloading the system with excessive water use. The fix: spread out water usage throughout the day. Number 4. Ignoring warning signs of septic issues. Warning signs like slow drains, gurgling noises, or foul odors are often brushed off. The fix is to educate yourself on early warning signs of septic troubles. Number 5. Planting trees or shrubs near the drain field. The fix: keep trees and large shrubs at least 20 to 30 feet away from your septic tank and drain field. 6. Using harsh chemicals and additives. The fix: avoid using chemical additives, bleach, or harsh drain cleaners. 7. Driving or building over the drain field. The fix: keep vehicles, heavy equipment, landscaping, and any construction away from the drain field. Number 8. Failing to have regular inspections. The fix is scheduling regular septic inspections with a professional every 1 to 3 years. Number 9. Pouring grease down the drain. The fix: dispose of grease and oil in a container and throw it in the trash. Number 10. Not knowing the location of the septic system. The fix: keep a map for future reference and share it with professionals when needed. Avoiding these common septic system mistakes is essential for maintaining a healthy and efficient system. If you're unsure or need professional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Call Advanced Septic Services of Florida today at 352-242-6100.